Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper from a backpack. First, let's assess the damage. A common issue is a zipper slider that has come off its track or teeth that are no longer interlocking correctly. Sometimes, the slider itself might be broken or bent. Take a moment to carefully inspect the entire zipper, from the top stop to the bottom stop, to understand exactly what needs attention. This initial step is crucial for choosing the right repair method. If your zipper teeth are misaligned, you can often fix them with a pair of needle nose pliers. Gently squeeze and straighten any bent teeth to ensure they can interlock properly. For a slider that's come off the track, you can often reattach it by carefully prying open the slider slightly with a flathead screwdriver, guiding it onto the teeth, and then gently squeezing it back together. A little bit of graphite from a pencil or some zipper wax can make a big difference in getting it to glide smoothly again. When the slider itself is broken, replacement is often the best solution. You'll need to find a new slider that matches your zipper's size, typically indicated by a number on the back of the old slider, like a number 5 or number 8. Carefully remove the old slider. You might need to snip the top or bottom zipper stop with wire cutters. Then, slide the new slider onto the teeth, ensuring both sides are engaged. Finally, crimp a new metal stop, or sew a fabric stop to prevent the slider from coming off again. To keep your backpack zippers in top condition and prevent future issues, regular maintenance is key. Clean your zippers periodically with a small brush to remove any accumulated dirt or sand, which can cause friction. Applying a specialized zipper lubricant, like a silicone spray or a simple beeswax stick, every few months will help the slider glide effortlessly. Also, try to avoid overstuffing your backpack, as excessive pressure is a common cause of zipper failure. These simple steps can significantly extend the life of your zippers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.